Everybody, and welcome back to our channel. I just got back from the gym and my hair is in desperate need of some TLC. So I'm going to start my wash day with the Mono's Hair Scalp and Curl Clarifier. This is considered a pre-poo treatment and it contains patchouli and obsidian oils as well as aloe. I made sure to get my edges and the nape of my neck, which is where I sweat the most. I also really like this product because it made my scalp feel clean after all of that sweating I did today in the gym. Once I've rinsed out the clarifier, I use the Curl CoWash and Conditioner. I don't typically co-wash, but because this product line doesn't have a shampoo at the moment, I opted to use it, and I like this product as well. It has amazing slip, so I was able to section my hair with my fingers and use my detangling brush with ease. It has a great smell, as do all the products, and my hair wasn't stripped once I rinsed it out. This is my hair clean with no product. It's very soft, and so far I'm impressed. Once I finish checking myself out and getting the water out of my eyes, the curl restoring treatment is up next. This deep conditioner has mongongo oil, mango butter, and quinoa protein. I'm high porosity, so my hair absolutely loved it. The consistency was thick, but didn't have a tacky feel to it. I sectioned my hair and made sure to coat it from root to tip. Once done, I added a plastic bag and used my hot head for 10 minutes. I've rinsed out the treatment, so now the curl primer is up next. This primer is considered a lightweight leave-in treatment, and I have to be honest, this wasn't my favorite. I'm high porosity, so I tend to lean towards a thicker leave-in, like Kinky Curly, but I really wanted to give this product a try, so you see me here spraying it into my hair, and it smells really good too. Also, because I used the lock method, I incorporated argan oil and worked it into my hair as well. I also incorporated the curl smoothing pudding as my styler for my 3-strand twist out. As you can see, I'm working the product into my hair and then I twist. So now it's the next day and I'm headed to work and my twists are dry and I'm ready to take them down. My first impression is that I had okay definition, but once I finished separating, I had way more frizz. Would I use these products again? Maybe. I would definitely use the curl restoring treatment as well as the scalp and curl clarifier, but because I love a thicker leave-in, the primer is a no-go for me. As far as the co-wash and conditioner, I may give it a second try because I love to slip in. As I stated before, I don't typically co-wash, so would use it for conditioning purposes only. Now that I'm finished picking, shaping, and fluffing my hair, these are my final results, as well as the conclusion of my review. I hope you enjoyed what I had to say. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and let us know if you tried this line before and give us your take on it. Mooney's review is up next. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.